Hello everyone, this is John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and we're here on the lake shore in West Michigan, on Lake Michigan, at a project where we are going to eventually be putting in some gardens. We've already designed a deck, and we want to show you this custom picket fence that we're putting in for the client. Okay, so here we are. We've got the house here. We've got the lake in the background. Some of you probably already seen pictures of this deck. I know we posted that. They did a beautiful job. The construction firm doing that one. We designed that deck, and then we've got this beautiful fence that's going on, and it's a little bit different from a picket fence where we've got this sort of inverted picket, if you will. And the client saw this fence up in Mackinac Island and asked us if we could put it in, and we said sure, because we've got RZ Landscaping that can do anything. There's the guys over there. They're on a coffee break right now, but sure enough, they are working. But we're going to run this all the way across the front of the house, and then all inside here is all going to be a native garden. Now, I don't think that this fence is going to stop all of the deer, but hopefully the deer will be a little bit lazy. We've got a lot of deer here on the lakeshore. But anyway, wanted to show you this beautiful fence that we're putting in right here. Just really going to be an awesome garden. The client wanted to look like it was something out back on the Cape and Islands, back in Massachusetts, one of my favorite places. And sure enough, it looks like we're there now, but we're in beautiful West Michigan building this fence. So I hope you guys will like this video, and of course, check out all of our other stuff. And we look forward to seeing you throughout the summer. Take care.